canine. This bond starts in your heart and your mind the first time you meet, greet, and take a peek at your best new friend. There's a wonderful and somewhat challenging road ahead, but it's led by you and the things you do. With your dogs, words are few and far between. The dream, it seems, is not only spoken with sounds to our hounds, but the spirit and energy are the ultimate synergy that communicates intentions, directions, and affection. Patience, compassion, and intuition are what we need to seed in our dog. This is so his read on us consists of nothing but love and trust. With the bond forging ahead, we must also strive to drive at the physical side. Find ways to play and engage his interest, and then gain his fitness. This is the key, which means internal energy that will surge in him. So make sure he can purge in a positive direction. This energy release will help focus his mind, and then he can find the calm in his intentions. Your expectations will then be met with better consistency, and his willingness to assist will be the fit you desire when you let him burn down his fire. With the WolfManChi philosophy, you will be providing the yin and yang, a symbol which defines balance. It shows us we need to have it flow in us, just as well as in our butts. This true happiness that resides in your canine will be an everlasting feeling full of fun time, run time, and sunshine. His limitations that you let him to define will serve both you and him all the time, and really help refine his attitude and trust in him with the freedom he earns, deserves, and constantly yearns.